Today I'm going to do a review on Leatherman SideClip. It's a pretty small multi-tool. This is Leatherman SideClip compared to the Surge, one of Leatherman's full-size multi-tools. It's a big size difference and weight difference. Has a nice pocket clip. It has, on the two handles, it has inch and centimeter, and on one side it has your main blade, non-locking. None of these tools lock, they're just slip joint. It's got a large flathead screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver. On the other side it has can opener, Phillips head screwdriver, and a small flathead screwdriver. I do not know where you can get this. They do not make it anymore. You can get it on eBay. That's about the only place I know where you can get it. It's about $40, but that was the last time I checked. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.